Hello guys, welcome back. So now as we have the image file, now is the time to upload it to the Firebase storage and then to the Firebase Firestore database. So for that purpose we will go back to our main view model, and after that let's implement a method, and then we can say upload image to storage. Now let's create a reference to the storage. For that purpose we have to add the dependency, which is Firebase storage. Click pubget. So now we can say reference. If it do not show you the suggestion, then make sure to click the pubget again. Okay, the Flutter pubget command you have to run, and then when you come back here and let's retype, then you will see this, okay, which belongs to Firebase storage package. Let's give it name as banners reference Firebase storage dot instance dot reference, and inside the storage we are going to create a folder by the name banners, banner images, and then we can add the image inside the banner images folder. Now each image will have its own unique ID so that it cannot be replaced with other images which the admin can upload later. Let's say if two images have same names, then it means that it will replace the previous one. So we have to make sure that each image has its own unique name which cannot be replaced. So for that purpose, you already know we can use that time as a unique name. As you know, time once passed can never be recalled. So we can set a time dot now dot milliseconds since epoch dot to string, and then as you know we have our own original file name which we can give. Okay, you remember the global name, the actual file name. We will get that file name and we will combine it using the concatenation sign plus and then our unique file name ID. So it will be like a combined name. Make sure to write here dot to string. Okay, similarly here dot to string. We just want to make sure. And then at the end of the image, of course, you can give it a type like .jpg, .png, but it is optional. Okay, it is totally up to you. Even if you do not give this, it's okay. Now as you know, we have now the reference, so now we can simply start the uploading, which we can do. So you already know about this because we have already done it in the riders app, users app, and in the sellers app. It is upload task. So we can say upload task equals to banners reference dot put data, and the data is our image file which is from global variables dot. Okay, this one. Now the uploading will start and we have to wait for it to upload successfully, which we can do so using the task snapshot. So we can say upload task dot when complete. You know that when it is uploaded successfully, when the upload task is completed successfully, when the image is uploaded successfully, then we get download URL of that image as a response. So let's get that. You know we can get it using task snapshot dot reference dot get download URL, and this method will return this download URL. So this is how we can upload the image to the Firebase storage. So whenever this method is called, it will return the download URL of that image.